For over 37 years, at least one smoke detector has been required in homes to notify occupants of a house fire. But what happens when no one is there to hear it? In the last 24 years, building code has required interconnected smoke detectors so that when one is tripped, they will all sound. That's great, but what happens when no one is home to hear them go off, or if it's not monitored? Even though smoke detectors are an integral part of life safety, security, and notification, many dealers have not taken advantage of this opportunity because it's been complicated and costly. Some dealers might install one or two wireless smokes. However, this provides limited spot detection, and a large portion of the home could be engulfed before the monitoring company is notified and dispatches authorities. Introducing the FireFighter. Now, nearly all your clients can afford the detection and confidence of monitoring their existing interconnected UL smokes without installing additional smoke detectors. In most states, it may not even require smoke installation licensing. Protecting a client with an interconnected smoke system is simple and easy. You install only one FireFighter device within a few inches of one of the existing interconnected smoke detectors. The FireFighter smoke alarm detector has a patent-pending audio discriminator with a special algorithm that listens to the unique sounds and cadence of all UL smoke detectors. And now you have full household monitoring. When the smoke alarm sounds, the FireFighter recognizes this distinct sound and sends a notification to the security panel, potentially reducing response times that can save property, pets, and lives. What homes need the FireFighter? According to the NFPA, there are over 33 million homes with existing interconnected smokes, and 96% of all homes have at least one battery-operated smoke detector. Families, pets, property, and precious memories can now have additional monitored detection from the devastating effects of fire. Installing a FireFighter costs much less than one wireless smoke detector, and a homeowner may be able to take advantage of additional insurance savings. Get monitored detection from existing interconnected smoke detectors with the FireFighter. Go to EncoreControls.com and sign up now.